Welcome back to Explain the Charts, and welcome to today's analysis of QQQ, the Nasdaq 100 tracker, and we're going over the news and the chart data, so let's get started. If we look at the daily charts, we can see that the QQQ has been on a tear for quite some time now, steadily climbing since its recent dip in late September. This rally has been fueled by the strong performance of the tech sector, specifically Nvidia, which has seen a surge in its stock price due to the announcement of a massive funding round for ChatGPT maker OpenAI. Investors believe that much of this funding could be funneled back to Nvidia, as OpenAI's growing demand for AI chips will likely benefit Nvidia's chip business. However, there are concerns about the market's future performance, with the election nearing and the Federal Reserve's stance on interest rates remaining a topic of debate. Let's look at the one-hour charts to get a more detailed view of the recent price action. We can see a consistent uptrend with bullish momentum over the past week, particularly with the strong bounce back from the support level around the 475 mark. The QQQ appears to have found a strong floor around 475, which is a key level to keep an eye on in the short term. If the price breaks below this level, it could signal a potential reversal of the current trend. However, if it holds above 475, we can expect further bullish momentum. Looking at the 15-minute charts allows us to analyze the recent price swings in more detail, and this is where things get interesting. We can see a clear pattern of higher highs and higher lows over the past few trading days, indicating strong bullish momentum. The price seems to be consolidating above the 485 mark, which acts as a key level of support. However, it's worth noting that there was a slight pullback earlier this morning, with the price dipping briefly below 485. This pullback could be attributed to the uncertainty surrounding the market, with the election approaching and the Fed's interest rate decisions remaining unclear. However, it's important to remember that the overall trend remains bullish, and a break above the current resistance level of 495 could trigger a significant surge in price. The short-term outlook for the QQQ looks positive, with the price consolidating above the 485 support level. If the price holds above this level, we can expect continued bullish momentum. However, it's important to keep a close eye on the 475 level on the one-hour charts, as a break below this level could signal a potential reversal of the current trend. Let's look at a zoomed-in view of the 15-minute charts to examine the price action more closely. This is where we can see the recent pullback and the potential for a bounce back. By zooming in on this time frame, we can get a better understanding of the short-term momentum and identify potential entry and exit points for trading. Looking at the 15-minute charts, we see a clear bounce back from the 485 support level, and we can see this bounce back on the daily charts too. The QQQ is currently trading above the 495 mark, indicating that the bullish momentum is still strong. However, a break below the 485 level could signal a change in sentiment and could lead to a correction. In the long term, the QQQ's performance is still tied to the tech sector's growth potential, with the rise of AI and other emerging technologies playing a significant role. Therefore, the QQQ's long-term outlook remains optimistic, but it's important to stay informed about the latest news and events that could impact the market. To sum it up, the QQQ is showing strong bullish momentum, with the price currently consolidating above the 485 support level. Key levels to watch include the 485 support level on the 15-minute charts and the 475 support level on the one-hour charts. A break below the 485 level could signal a correction, while a break above the 495 resistance level could trigger a significant surge in price. The long-term outlook for the QQQ remains optimistic, with the tech sector's growth potential providing a solid foundation for the future. However, it's important to keep a close eye on the latest news and events that could impact the market, as they can influence the QQQ's direction. And remember, this is just technical analysis, and we're not financial advisors. Thanks for watching Explain the Charts. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on our next analysis.